lot of people do it just the opposite. Okay. What they'll do is they will find somebody. The other thing that's exciting about this is there is no need for venture capital, right, on the back end or debt. To start this, if you're going to go find somebody that needs help, you're not going to have to go raise a bunch of money, right, to build a big old product or to hire programmers to code something, right? All you need to do is find somebody who needs a hand. How do you do it? I want to dive into the how behind all of this, okay? I teach people something called the $0 framework, all right? The $0 framework comprises four things, all right? Comprised of four things. Number one, you need to be able to find people, right? Number two, you need to be able to get paid. Three, you need to be able to provide value to these people that are going to be paying you. And number four, you repeat. That's the $0 framework. And unfortunately, a lot of people do it just the opposite, okay? What they'll do is they will find somebody and then they'll try to provide value, even if it costs them a bunch of money first, and that puts them in a risky situation. And if things don't work out, then they can end up a creek, right, with no paddle.